In Java programming, there is an abstract class. I'm going to share with you an abstract class. What is an abstract class in Java? An abstract class in Java is declared using the abstract keyword. It cannot be used to create new objects. It can have abstract and non-abstract methods. Non-abstract methods means to be implemented. An abstract class is like this. You can see the abstract keyword in this program. The abstract keyword can be used in classes and methods. We programmers choose an abstract class if we are going to use the inheritance concept. The reason why is that an abstract class provides a common base class implementation to derived class. We use an abstract class if we want to add methods not to break the existing code. We partially implement abstract classes if we use them. Using abstract classes, we can provide a common implemented functionality among all implementation of our component. The fun class contains the width variable, the constructor, the abstract setWidth and getWidth methods, and the non-abstract turn-on and turn-off methods. An abstract class can be declared public, protected, and private members. It cannot be created new objects. It is suited for adding new methods in the future. If we want to use the abstract classes, we can inherit only one abstract classes. We cannot inherit several abstract classes at the same time. I will give you other examples. The subFarm class is implemented using the farm abstract class. Then the timer method is implemented. We can utilize turn-on and turn-off methods in the func abstract class. Also, we can override them. An abstract class in Java is declared using the abstract keyword. An abstract class cannot be instantiated. As I said earlier, it can be declared public, protected, and private members. It is useful to add new methods in the future. We can extend the other class using an abstract class like this. The swinghead method is added newly. This video is very abstract, isn't it? I think so. Actually, you might understand an abstract class after developing systems and software with other programmers. Have fun, bye for now.